Gosh, filler over there. Don't look at my garden because it's... Never mind the garden. Look at this pool. It's green as Kermit. No. This is unacceptable. This has got to change. It's got to change. It's just ruining the whole ambiance of the beautiful succulent garden. It has to change. Because we got so much rain this year, I figured we need to drain this pool and get it in tip-top shape before the summer starts. So we drained it and pressure washing it, and then getting rid of all the side tiles that you see that's so yucky right now, and just have it professionally done because we can't do it. We're gonna go look at Isabella close up. Isabella, look at you, little girl. Look at you and your little egg. Mamacita, mamacita, mamacita. She's looking at me like, are you crazy? Hey, Izzy, you're so pretty. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. So I started to try to peel off the tiles on the side, and he started to pressure wash it, but we had to trade places because pressure washing was a lot easier than doing what I was doing. So he was ripping up all the tiles and I pressure washed it. So this is what happened. This is the end of it. And now we just have to scoop up the rest of that water, that cruddy, moldy water. And we actually used the bucket to take it off the pool because it was not going to get sucked up by the sump pump. And yeah, he's starting to pressure wash it, and I was peeling off the tiles, but we decided this is a much easier job for me. And the other part, the tile ripping, was more of his job, so that's what we're doing. At first I was watching him because it's mesmerizing and really very relaxing to just see all that gunk cleared out of the pool. And while the sump pump was on, it was sucking up all the water and sending it to the sewer, and it's now beautiful. That's the last of it. That is the last of it. There was a lot of crappy stuff in that hole, in that drain hole, after we got done, and I'm not going to tell you all the gory details. No, there was no dead body, but there were a lot of dead bodies that are not people.
All right. You want to come with me to Home Depot? Yes, doesn't matter, babe.
Home Depot to get some things that are going to be helpful for our project today. So on the way home, we took a little detour. We went to Rutherford and took a drive and decided we were gonna have dinner there because that's all we could do today. We done as much as we could. We worked really hard, and we're just waiting for the guys to come over and give us a bid on Tuesday for the pool. We're kind of very grateful about that and just marveled at how green the hills and the valleys were because of all the rain that we've been getting, and our water supply being replenished. That's big. That's major. So today I will leave you with this beauty, and you can just marvel along with me. And I will give you updates on the pool soon, soon, soon. Love you guys. XOXO, hugs and kisses. Goodbye.